Hi guys, today I'm going to start a new series of video, that is methods of loan amortization. Basically, there are the major 7 methods of loan amortization, that is these are the major methods of loan amortization. We will learn each methods of loan amortization in a different videos. In the today's video, we will learn how to prepare the loan amortization schedule by using reducing balance method of loan amortization. Okay, so let's start it. Alright, now before I start to go ahead, I would like to tell you one thing here. Under the reducing balance method of loan amortization, the total payment are fixed over the period. Okay, that is, this column will be fixed over the period, and we will see when we will prepare this table. Okay, now let's provide the any random data based on the mentioned parameters, that is this one. Okay, first, present value. I'm going to put the value $75,000. For number of years, I'm going to put the value 3. Now annual rate of interest, I'm going to type the 12%. Okay. Now for compounding method, it could be annually, semi-annually, quarterly, monthly, weekly, and daily. Okay. So let's provide the list of compounding which I discussed earlier by using the data validation tool. Okay. So click on the data tab and click on the data validation arrow and choose the data validation by clicking on it, and click on this arrow and click on list. Okay, and now let's provide the compounding. Okay, so it could be annually, semi-annually, quarterly, monthly, weekly, and daily. Okay, and now click on OK. Alright, you can see. Alright, now for here I'm going to choose the monthly. Okay, you can select anyone. Now let's calculate the number of periods and in periodic interest rate by multiplying the number of years and dividing the annual rate of interest by applying the applicable values. While the applicable value is like 1 for annually compounding, 2 for semi-annually compounding, 4 for quarterly compounding, 12 for monthly compounding, 52 for weekly compounding, and 365 for daily compounding. Okay, so first let's calculate the number of periods. Okay, so click here, and I'm going to use the if function in Excel to automate the calculation based on the compounding method. Okay, so press the equal sign, tap the if function, now press the tab, and now let's make the condition. If this equals to annually, then what will happen? Yes, this times 1. Similarly, if this equals to semi-annually, then what will happen? Yes, this times 2. Similarly, if this equals to quarterly, then what will happen? Yes, this times 4. Similarly, if this equals to monthly, then what will happen? This times 12. Similarly, if this equals to weekly, then what will happen? This times 52. Otherwise, this times 365. Now press the close parenthesis equal to total number of if. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 if. So we have to press the 5 close parenthesis. So press the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now before pressing the enter key, let's fix this cell by putting the $sign between the cell. So we have this one, so put the $sign here. Okay, similarly for here, similarly for here, similarly for here, and similarly for here. Okay, and now press the enter key. Alright, now let's calculate the periodic interest rate, and it can be calculated same as number of period. Just we will change the arithmetic sign from the multiplication to divide, and change the cell reference from number of years or any other cell to annual rate of interest. Okay, so first let's copy this by pressing the Ctrl C, and now click here, and now press Ctrl V to paste it. Now press Ctrl S to save it, and now double click on the cell to show the formula, and now let's make some correction here. So first let's change the sign from multiplication to divide. So clear this one, and now change the divide, press the divide sign. Similarly for here, similarly for here, similarly for here, similarly for here, and similarly for here. Okay, now you can see that we have already selected the annual rate of return. Okay, so we don't need to move this cell from any others. Okay, because we already put this cell down to the number of years, so that this cell is already selected here. Okay, now press the enter key. All right, and now let's show this value up to 4 decimal places. So go to the home tab and click on this icon. Okay, and now increase the decimal. Okay, now let's calculate the total PMT, and it can be calculated by using the PMT function in Excel. So press the equal to sign, tap the PMT, and now press the tab, and let's provide the information based on this argument. So for rate, let's select this one, that is periodic interest rate, comma. For NPR, that means number of periods, so select this one, comma. For present value, let's select this one, but we have to provide the negative sign here, then we can select this one. Okay, all right. Now for future value, so put the value 0. Now let's select any value from this list. It doesn't affect this value. Okay, so for here I'm going to type 0. Okay, now press the close parenthesis, and now press the enter key. All right, you can see. Now let's calculate the future value, and it can be calculated by simply multiplying the total PMT to the number of periods. Okay, so press the equal to sign, and now click this one times this one, and now press the enter key. All right, now for total interest, it can be calculated by simply subtracting the present value from the future value. Okay, so press the equal to sign, and now click this one minus this one, and now press the enter key. All right, okay, now let's prepare the loan amortization schedule. So first click here and put the value 0 for period, and click here and put the present value by linking the cell reference. So I'm going to click this one. Okay, and I'll press the F4 key to fix this cell for ending balance. Okay, now click here and provide the period from 1 to 1095, because we have used 3 years as a number of years. Okay, so in daily it becomes 1095. Okay, so put the value 1 here, select these two cell and drag from 1 to up to 1095. Okay, so and drag down. Okay, you can see. All right, now for beginning value, let's click here and now press the equal to sign, and now let's make the cell reference. So click this one and now press the enter key, and click here and double click on this corner to drag down. Okay, all right. Okay, now for payment, let's link the cell reference, that is this one. Okay, so press the equal to sign and now select this one, and now press the F4 key to fix this cell, and now press the enter key. All right, now click here and put the pointer here and double click on this corner. Okay, to drag down. Okay, you can see. All right, now for interest column, it can be calculated by simply multiplying the beginning value, that is this one, to the periodic interest rate, that is this one. Okay, so let's calculate it. So press the equal to sign, now select this one times select this one, and now let's fix this cell by pressing the F4 key, and now press the enter key. All right, now click here, a pointer here, and double click on this corner to drag down the value. Okay, all right. Now for principal, it can be calculated by simply subtracting the total interest from the total payment. Okay, so let's calculate it. So press the equal to sign, and now click this one minus this one, and now press the enter key. Now click here and put the pointer here, and now press the double click on this corner. Okay, all right. Okay, now for ending balance, it can be calculated by simply subtracting the principal amount from the beginning balance. Okay, so let's calculate it. So press the equal to sign, and now click this one minus this one, and now press the enter key, and now click here and put the pointer here and press the double click on the corner to drag down the value. All right, you can see. Now you scroll down, and now let's see whether the value are applied up to 1095 period or not. Okay, so you can see. Okay, that means yes, the values are applied successfully. Okay, now let's apply the conditional formatting over this table to hide the unnecessary periods data, that is this one. Okay, so for this it can be applied selecting the cell from here to here. Okay, and now press Ctrl Shift and press the down arrow from your keyboard. Okay, to select the entire table. Okay, and now scroll up and go to the conditional formatting under the home tab, and now click on this arrow and click on new rule. All right, and now choose this one, okay, and click here, and now let's make the formula here. So press the equal to sign, now type the dollar sign and type the alphabet G and put the value 5 greater than which one? This one, okay. That means I have made the, you know, this cell, that is this cell. If this cell will greater than this one, then what will happen? Yes, so let's click on this format button, okay, and now choose font tab and click on this arrow to choose the color and select the white, okay, and now click on OK, and now again click on OK, and now click here, and you can scroll down and you can see the effect. You can see about all the unnecessary data, that is this one, has been successfully hidden, okay, you can see. Alright, and only the data is showing up to 36 period, that is this one, okay. Now if you will change the compounding method from monthly to any others, the data will be automatically changed, okay. For example, I'm going to select monthly. You can see for semi-annually, you can see for quarterly, you can see for weekly, you can see by scrolling down, okay. And similarly for, you know, daily, you can click on this, you can select this and scroll down and you can see, okay. Now let's select the, you know, compounding method monthly here for now, okay. Now if you will, you know, verify the total interest, that is this one, you can add this, you know, the interest amount from here to here, okay, and you can see the total interest amount is this one, and this amount is equal to this. That means our, you know, the amortization salary is correct. Similarly, if you will, you know, verify the, you know, total future value, you can add the total payment from here to here, and you can see this value exactly equal to this, okay. Alright, so guys, it's a very interactive calculation and easy to prepare it. That's all for now. Thanks for watching this video. If you find it useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next method of loan amortization video. Signing off.